guys, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, reporting to you from the frozen tundra of the mid-Atlantic states. You guys, we got like a foot of snow dropped over the course of yesterday, and they were actually predicting like 1 to 3 inches, and we never get snow this early in December, so it's kind of crazy. But anyway, I'm happy because I'm nice and warm, and I have the December Adornable Elements Double Rotating Beads of the Month Club to unbox with you guys. So they've got, first of all different types of bead subscription clubs on their website. I'm going to leave the link to their site down below. But basically, they have a 2-hole Beads of the Month Club. They have Delicas of the Month Club, 11O Seed Beads of the Month Club, Swarovski crystals. They have Hot and Trendy Club, and they have Fire Polish Beads of the Month Club, which that's the last one that I haven't gotten yet. I've gone through all the rotation, so I know that today I'll be getting the double Fire Polish Beads of the Month Club. So with all those clubs, you could also decide to do what they call the rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is what I do. Now they have a single club and they have a double club. With the single club, you get half as many beads as you see here today. You still receive about 8 different types of beads with your subscription every month, but the quantities will be about half of what the double rotating club is. So the double rotating club that I'm unboxing today, the price is $39.95, and the shipping, if you're in the lower US, is about $4.50. And you can use my special code OPAL10, OPAL10, to save 10% off your first box, which is awesome. I absolutely adore this box. I highly recommend it. I pay for my own subscription, and the thoughts that I'm expressing are my own. So this is just fun for me to share with you guys, the unboxing. And like I said, I know I'm getting the Fire Polish Club this month, the double club, but I don't know what the theme is. They always do such a great job picking out a color scheme and a theme with the beads that they send. So let's take a look. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So they come at first, the subscription boxes come in these nice cases for you to store your beads. After you go through a rotation, they won't be sending you these boxes every month. It just depends on the type of club and how many of the bead containers inside will fit in a case, so it would be more sporadic after you go through a rotation. So let's take a look and see what the theme is and see what they sent. Okay, I'm going to do the flip over. It's called Victorian Elegance. So I can see we're probably going to have a purple and green type of theme, which sounds amazing. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love it. So I can see we've got some silvers and just this beautiful turquoise green color and that lilac purple amethyst type color. So pretty. So I'm going to take out the list and we'll go down and go through everything one by one. And by the way, if you sign up for the club this month after watching the video, what they'll do is they're going to probably send you the same, like if you were to sign up for the double rotating club, for example, they will probably send you the Fire Polish Club that you see today. However, it would be in a different theme, so you'd just get different colors, but similar types of beads. And then after that, they're going to put you in the rotation to be on what I get every month if you use the discount code. And then we'd be pretty much getting the same thing, and you could kind of unbox them with me. Be kind of fun like that. You know, and as I make things too, might give you some ideas on what you can do with those beads. So anyway, let's go down the list. The first one they're calling Transparent Turquoise Green. Drops 8 by 12 millimeter. And they put the quantity, everything's so organized, which I love. It's so important to me to know what specifically they're sending, because if I wanted to order more, go online, you know, and seek out some more of the product, I know what I was sent, I know what I'm using. They give you the retail price on everything and tell you kind of how much you saved over retail. So the first item, and I'm just looking at my labels here, is this beautiful teardrop shape. So let's take some of these out and take a closer look at them. So these are so pretty. And you get so many beads in the double club. I use a lot of beads, so I really appreciate it, but it's more than you'd expect. So look at that color. And these are faceted so beautifully. Really nice quality. Everything they send has been amazing quality. Just highly recommend. Okay, so that's the first item. The next one is called Opal Sea Green Rounds. So I already like that because it's, you know, called Opal Sea Green Rounds. 10 millimeter, 20 pieces. Oh my word. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Get a nice close-up on those. How gorgeous. I don't have anything like this. These are beautiful. I knew I would love it because it had opal in the name. And I always love beads that have opal in the name. I shouldn't say always. I guess most of the time. But I can't think of a bead that I've received that has opal in the name that I didn't like. But these are so pretty. It's like, you know, part of them is more clear, transparent, and then the opal is that more creamy white that you get on part of the beads inside. And I gotta tell you, this whole range here, the colors and everything, kind of reminds me of like a mermaid theme. So pretty. I'm just gonna leave those out. Alright, the next one is called Opaque Dark Turquoise Green Rounds, 4 millimeter, 150 pieces, which is these right here. So your classic 4 millimeter fire polish beads in this beautiful turquoise green color. And I love fire polish beads. I use them all the time. A lot of the 4 millimeter. So it's great to have those. So definitely check out their site for all of their club options. They have so many options. And see what's right for you. If maybe, for example, you only want to sign up for the Fire Polish Club every month, you could do that. The double rotating club, I quoted the price of that to you. However, if you didn't want to do the double club, you could sign up for the single rotating club, and that is $22.95 a month plus shipping. Okay, so our next item is called Fuchsia Amethyst Blend Rounds, 6 millimeter. There's 50 pieces. And they have everything labeled really nicely, so I can figure out what things are. So that's these right here, which look beautiful. I can't wait to get these out and put them in my hand so we can take a closer look. Oh my goodness, check these out. Are these not gorgeous? These are so stunning. They've got different shades of purple. I guess that's why it says Fuchsia Amethyst Blend. But you can see that there's some darker shades of purple. Then there's more of like that lilac, and then more of a fuchsia pinkish tone. So pretty. These are gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. Our next item is called Transparent Alexandrite Rondelles 5x7 millimeter, 40 pieces. So that would be these right here in this really pretty lavender. And again, just excellent quality. Everything is so uniform. No chips or cracks. The holes are really nice and smooth. These are really nice check glass beads. These are not cheap crystal beads. And gorgeous shine on them. Very smooth. And I love that light purple color too. Next on our list is Transparent Light Amethyst Coat Drops 5x7 millimeter, 50 pieces of those. So that would be these right here, and these are a smaller drop Like we received the turquoise green. These are a 5x7. So little teeny drops, so cute. They'll be so pretty dangling off of earrings or dangling off of a necklace. Beautiful color, very just dainty and sweet. All right, then we have two more things to take a look at. One is the next thing is the full Labrador half cab 6mm. So that's these right here. Awesome. So these are, like it says, like a cabochon bead. So part of it is flat, has a flat back, but it still has a hole in it, unlike your typical cabochons. And they're super shiny, very pretty silver. These will be able to go in a lot of different color mixes. It's always nice to get some metallics because they're really easy to use and play with color-wise, especially with these cabochon beads, because if I use them in bead weaving, I'll be able to use them for sure in projects that can vary greatly in color. So those are really nice as well. So one of the biggest draws for me for this particular bead subscription, everybody needs to do what's right for them, what fits your style and budget. But one of the nice things is that I've been so inspired by the beads that they've sent me. I've been able to create my own unique designs using beads that they've sent me that I never would have bought on my own. I probably would have just passed them up. I wouldn't have really thought much about them. But because they sent them to me, and maybe even right off the bat I wasn't really sure what to do with them, it got my mind working, and I've been able to create some things I'm really proud of and been able to create some new tutorials for you guys. So it's not only just getting the beads. Yes, I could go out and buy my own beads and, you know, get whatever I want, but this is giving me a lot of inspiration. And if you're also a creator, you know that inspiration is very, very valuable. So enough rambling. The last item to look at, which I'm already really excited to show you. Oh my goodness. Etched full Labrador rounds, 8mm. So I've been seeing this etched finish a lot lately, and I've seen it on flat teardrops that I was just looking at that I almost bought, and I'm sure I will in the future. But I'll give you a close-up. They just have this really awesome etched finish, and I think they're so cool. It adds a really interesting texture. You know, it's not just your plain round. They could combine really well with some other smooth beads and just add a nice texture. And again, I just love this silver metallic that they're calling Labrador. And this etched finish, whenever I've looked it up on beads, is definitely not cheap. So I've seen it in the silver, I've seen it in gold, I've seen it in other tones and like kind of iris type mixes, metallic-y type colors, and they just look really neat. Why does it remind me of aluminum foil a little bit? I don't know. I can't wait to play with all these beads. They're so fun. So once again, just definitely check out their site and check out all the different types of clubs and subscriptions they offer and see what might be right for you. You know, don't forget to use that special discount code that they've generously extended to my viewers, Opal10, if you're interested in signing up. And as always, I'm so happy with everything they sent. If I wasn't happy, I would absolutely tell you, and I think you guys know that. They have sent such a great range of different shapes and sizes, and again, the amount of thought that they put into picking out the colors and the shapes and putting them together in a cohesive theme. Everything's so organized, and also their customer service is amazing. So if you have any questions, please reach out to them, and they, I'm sure, will respond to you within a reasonable amount of time. They are on a holiday break at the moment, so if you do reach out to them, keep in mind that they will be out of the office through the 16th of the month, but I promise you they're going to respond to you shortly after that if you did reach out to them with a question. they're always great about that. One other thing real quick I just want to mention is that I've been asked before, do they ship internationally? It's not advertised on their website, and the reason is because it's on a case-by-case basis. So if you are interested and you are an international viewer, please just email them and tell them where you are located, tell them what you're interested in, and they'll give you a quote based on your location. And the shipping, of course, will be higher because it's going to be based on that, but it's not out of the question. So thanks again to all of you guys for watching, for hopefully enjoying this unboxing with me. It was so much fun to see what they sent. I can't wait to use these beads, and I can't wait to show you the finished jewelry that I've made with these gorgeous products. So I hope you guys stay warm out there. I hope you guys get to have some fun beading today. Please feel free to leave me a comment or a question down below. Let me know what your favorite item is here or what you might do with them. And I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye guys! If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!